Hello students, myself I am Deepak Rana. I am working in JSPN's Blossom Public School New Nare in Pune. Now today I am here to deliver a lecture to you on a subject e-commerce. Now you can see e-commerce here. What is to be done in e-commerce? Now e-commerce is nothing but it's a process where selling and purchasing of goods and services is to be done over internet. Now this can be done with the help of any computing device. That computing device may be any computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet or any other computing device. Okay. Now when we are using internet or e-commerce, then for any kind of new technology there are always advantages as well as disadvantages. So now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce from customer point of view as well as from businessman point of view. So the first of all we will see now the advantages of e-commerce from customer point of view. Now you can see here every product is available on a single mouse click. Means you can search, you can navigate all different types of products on a single mouse click by sitting at your home. Next, second advantage is it is a time saving. Now by using e-commerce, when you are purchasing anything, then no need to travel in a traffic to the market. By sitting at your home, you can order anything online using the any computing device. Then third benefit to the consumer is comparison. You can see here comparison. Comparison means whenever we are purchasing any product, then always we are comparing the product in terms of its specification as well as in price. So which online portal is giving you the product in less price, that we can compare. So you can see here. So that comparison can be made easily. No need to go shop by shop for comparing the product. Now next advantage to the consumer is easy payment options are available. So payment can be done easily with the help of various options like credit card, debit card, internet banking or some digital wallets are also available. So with the help of these payment options you can do payments. Fifth advantage for the consumer here is whenever before purchasing any product you can see customer review. Now customer review here is whenever the product is to be used by any customer, he is going to put his experience regarding that product on the internet, and by seeing those customer review you can decide whether you want to purchase that product or not. Okay. Now these are the advantages of e-commerce for consumers. Now we will see disadvantages of this e-commerce for consumers. Now the very first disadvantage here you can see that every person who is going to choose e-commerce must have a computer or computing device with internet and electricity. If he don't have computing device or internet, then he is not able to choose e-commerce. Okay. Now second is not able to touch or feel the quality of the product. You can see here. Now if product you are going to see in a picture only, so you cannot feel the quality of product. It may happen in terms of whenever you are going to purchase clothes. So what we are doing in offline shopping, we are going to check the clothes. Yes, it's good quality cloth. But in online you cannot do like this. So this is one disadvantage to the consumer. Then number third disadvantage you can see here, customer must have to check always what is the return policy given by that online portal. Because it may happen that if a damaged product is to be delivered, then you must have to return it. So in that case return policy should be always checked. Okay. Next, number fourth disadvantage here is online fraud. Nowadays online hackers who is going to hack your banking information is rapidly increased. So what may happen, those people they may hack your online payments. So you have to take care about this online hacking. And the last here disadvantage is delay in time. So it may possible that you are ordering anything which is you want to give to someone else on the occasion of birthday, and if that product is delivered late, so it's of no use. So this may be the disadvantage for consumer point of view. Now we will see advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce for the business's point of view. Okay. So first of all, we will see advantages of e-commerce for businessman's point of view. Okay. So the first advantage is customer base is not limited. It means that in case of offline shopping, means in a market or in a shop, customer base is limited to the nearby area only. But this is not the case with e-commerce. People from any city, from any district, from any state can order from your online portal. So this is first benefit of e-commerce to the businessman. Second is the business will go on 24/7 in 365 days. Now 24/7 means 24 hours in a 7 days, and during 365 days means there will be no holiday, no lunch break for your business. So throughout the year your business will go on. Okay. Now third benefit for the businessman here is businessman should not need to have any shop in the market area. Okay. If he is having any go down at any area without any kind of furniture, then also it is okay, because customer will not visit your go down where the products are kept. So these are the three advantages of e-commerce for businessmen. Now we will see what are the disadvantages for businessmen. The first one is there is a possibility that hacker may steal company's data and he may defame the company's reputation. So company has to take care of this thing. Second is, as the data is stored on company's server computer, then that computer must have fast internet bandwidth, because everything will be worked from their server. Number 3 is the businessman has to sell the products at a very competitive rates, because as a consumer, what consumer will do? Consumer will check the prices on different websites, on different portals, and then he will choose from which website he has to purchase. Okay. And the last point, disadvantage here is that businessman should have to take care of timely delivery and undamaged delivery of the product, because if the product is delivered late, then customer may deny to accept that product. And second thing is that if the product is damaged meanwhile during the delivery time, then the businessman has to bear whatever the cost of that damaged product. So this we have seen advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. Okay. So thank you.